Welcome, coloring artists. Today we'll be working on Ruffian Coloring Magazine. This coloring book has the most dapper dogs on earth, ready for us to color. Today we'll focus on this cool poodle, posing in streetwear. I'll start with some basic colored pencils on the background. I like to use browns, reds, and blues, but I don't color very dark. I want this poodle to be the main attraction. This alleyway will be colored so that this pup really pops. Choose the colors you think work best for you. For our kicks, I'm going to do a combination of teal and orange for the laces. I also add a touch of light yellow so the shoes aren't flat white. Gives it a slightly more realistic color. Now to our pants. I'm using a combination of light green for the highlights, medium green for the midtones, and a dark green for the shadows. I'm also using pastel pencils so that I can blend the colors easier. Our jacket is going to be several shades of blue. I use different shades to fill in the different tones. The more colors we add, the more realistic the jacket looks. We're going to give this pooch some red and orange highlights on the ears. We'll fill it in with pink color. Next, we'll hit the top of the head with a fun shade of blue. Now let's fill in the face with some light shades of brown, and we'll finish up our art piece with some green glasses. And here's our masterpiece, a cool dog with some bright colors. What colors would you have chosen? Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.